Miss Combo Ayatollah Jeko. I'm going to show you the assignment 2.3 where I'm displaying the contents of data 1 server 1. We are going to put the command cat slash data 1 server 1 and we hit enter. This is the contents of the file. Inside it contains output from multiple Linux system commands demonstrating redirection and system information gathering. Then we go to the next question. We go to the next question. We're going to show you the ownership of data 1. So we're going to hit ls minus ld slash data 1. We hit, then it is verifies here is Ubuntu. The data1 directory is owned by Ubuntu user account, which confirms successful ownership change. The group remains root, but the required user ownership has been correctly updated. Then we go to the next question. Is the output of the df minus h command in data1 server 1 why? My answer is the output of the df minus command is not permanently stored here in this file because it is overwritten by later commands such as uname. We use uname minus a using the redirection operator. Each time the redirection operator is used, it replaces the previous file contents so that the only recent command output is saved. And according to my own words, sudo, it allows a standard user to execute commands with temporary root or administrative privileges. It is used to perform system level tasks that require elevated permissions while maintaining security by avoiding direct root login. It also logs privilege actions for accountability. Then the next question is said, what is restored in etc password and etc shadow files? My answer in etc password, this one, it stores basic user account information such as usernames, user IDs, group IDs, home directories, and default shells. It is readable by all users. Then we go to the next one. etc shadow file stores encrypted password hashes and password policy information such as password expiration, account agent settings. It is restricted to the root user for security reasons. Thank you so much for watching the video. This concludes my demonstration of Linux EC2 instance configuration, file management, and permission handling and system command usage. Thank you.